Hi YouTube, this is Onyx Partition. I'm just showing you off what I've done to my Ranger recently. I had originally gotten into a little fender bender there and wrecked my valence a little bit. Got them put on. Got a new valence given to me by my previous employer. Thanks to RCJ Mechanical. If you look them up, Fort McMurray, they're a great place to get your service trucks and stuff like that fixed if you're in the oil patch up in Fort Mac. But anyways, got my nice new valence put on. Still a little bit of damage from when I first got into the fender bender, but that's nothing I can't handle. It was kind of hard to put on right here. It's a really tight squeeze to hold it on. Same on this side right here. But other than that, it's pretty decent. Fog lights just screwed out and then in. Easy fix. Same plastic, same texture. Actually, I think it's a little bit smooth, so it'll be easier to clean. And then I had a light bar here, but what I'm going to do is mount one, because there's metal on the inside, put a bolt, come out, and then it'll come right across here, and I'll put the light bar underneath it, and then 2 more lights, or 3 more lights or something. Haven't quite figured that out yet. There you go. That's my Ranger so far. Nothing special, I guess. Just a headache rack, some antennas, some lights, and stuff like that. I don't know. And then underneath, if you can see it, I got my air tank, my pressure sensor relay, and then my compressor up there. Everything's sort of held in with between hose clamps and zip ties, and it's coming out of there. Then I don't know if the GoPro will go get the lighting or not. I got a set of train horns in there. And way in the back, I don't know if you can see it. Jesus. Sorry, get camera. Is my relay and pressure gauge. So I got the pressure gauge before the relay, not relay, sorry, solenoid. And then I'm able to set the pressure. Able to set the pressure. 12-volt solenoid. It's wired in. Have the ground there. That's how the air tank's attached. I bolted a metal bar on, and then hose clamps around the metal bar. It's secure. And then I have a PA horn attached to my CB in there. And all that. My CB, which is wired into a fused ignition switch, so that it comes on when I turn my engine on. Same with my VHF, so everything comes on only when I have the ignition on, which is good. It doesn't deplete my battery. And then if I start her up, turn on the compressor so I don't accidentally kill the battery. And then there's my pressure gauge. I gotta get a new relay that kicks in at 100 psi and kicks out at 150. This one only kicks out at 105. And then there's my ultra gauge. I like it. But yeah, that's the modifications done to my Ranger. There's the switch to activate the solenoid, and then I'll end it off. I'll end it off with my train harness. Turn off my engine. There. Sorry for banging around with the camera. I'm still getting used to my GoPro. Thanks for watching YouTube. Have a great day.